Hi, and welcome back to the 25 Days of Christmas. Today we're doing a Get Ready With Me featuring the Sydney Grace Enduring Love palette, and I do have the light version. So let's get started. Jessup 224, and I'm dipping into the shade Juliet, dusting that as a transition all over the lid. Next, with a MAC 217, dipping into the shade Darcy. And just deepening up that outer V or outer portion of the crease and then flicking upwards. And then taking the other side, I'm just dusting up the edge here a little bit. The shadows did a really fantastic job of just blending themselves out. I think with the Zoeva 232, I'm going to dust Darcy underneath the lower lash line just to add a little emphasis. I'm trying to get more into pinks and blushes for the eyes because I think that it does look good if done correctly. So here's my attempt. These are going to be too light. That was Victoria and Cherish right here. I just wanted to see like what those were capable of. Looks like Robert will be for the deepening up, or I could go with Boaz. I think I'm going to try Robert first. So using the 232, the Zoeva, tapping in the very, very tip portion. Sorry, you can't see that. Just tapping the tip in, bouncing off any of that excess, and we'll just place it in through the lower lash, or the crease, the lower crease lid. You know what I'm talking about. And then just kind of feather that up and around. That way it's not too terribly pink. With the concealer of your choice, I'm going to use this Physicians Formula one just because the packaging is like falling apart on me and I really want to use this up. Add some concealer and cut the crease. Not my best, not my worst. It's okay. I mean, this type of look doesn't really need the crease cut too much into it. Just softening up those edges right now with a MAC 217. And actually this has that shade on it. And I'm just kind of patting out. There we go. Okay. Now, it already has like a little bit of a sticky base. Yeah, I took this one up a little too high. But it already has a sticky base, so actually I'm just going to grab a little bit of that Darcy with a Makeup Geek Outer V brush and just kind of ever so gently place a little bit right on there. You see how that goes? And just kind of blend it upwards and around just to add a little bit more emphasis. I overdid it. I overdid the concealer. And I could take an even finer detailed brush and just kind of get in there as well if I needed to. This doesn't have to be like a super, super sharp cut crease because, I mean, really, honestly, I'm just doing it for the shadows. And with that same concealer brush, just wiping off any excess, it'll kind of give it a little bit of tackiness though. What did I say I wanted to do? Deanna? Oh, I feel like maybe I want to do Abigail. I don't know. Abigail is so pretty. Let's do Abigail. I don't feel like there's been a lot of people reaching for that shadow. Yeah, and I think it'll go really well with this. So starting on the outer third. Ooh, that mixed with the concealer and not in a good way. Changed my mind. MAC 213. Grab Abigail. This is like a blackened base. It is. It's a black base, so that's kind of why. Okay, well that's good to know. Don't mix a black base with a concealer because it will actually like mix and that's not going to be good. I think I used too much, but that's alright, whatevs. We're here for the drama llama. Alright, next dipping into Elizabeth and starting that ombre over. So just, I'm going to switch the other side. Tap in. And then go ahead and add some of that over this. And I'm going to blend that in. Not the right brush. When you can't figure out the brush, you always go back to your roots. The MAC 242 will do it to you every time. If you can't get it done, I can assure you the MAC 242 will get it done. Continuing on the other side, just blending a little bit into that dark shade. It's just too black based for me. Oh boy. Oh yeah, we definitely brought the drama this time, folks. Dang. I didn't realize it was going to do that. Okay. Grab some of that Sydney Grace translucent powder. Let's see if we can dust some of this away. I'm not sure though. Okay, I'm not going to powder as heavily, but I am going to lay down some powder on the other side just because I don't want the same thing to happen. Alright, finishing up where I left off. Looks good. I'm doing this pat swipe motion to get some shimmer. These are kind of coming across as almost like a heavy satin and not really like a metallic shade per se. And I'm sure this is getting in the way of my microphone. Sorry about that. But this is kind of a satiny metallic formula, not really like a metallic. So just keep that in mind. Alright, wipe off any excess. And I think for this look, either Albert or Devotion would be your best options. I think if I went into the green, not gonna look as good. So you know what, let's do Devotion. Yes, sweet pea.
Mommy.
Do you know what the mailman just delivered?
What?
Well, do you know?
No.
Well, what was it?
I don't know.
What did you order off of my Amazon?
My trucks.
What else did you order? You ordered something very specific.
A camper.
No.
Just.
Well, if you can't remember, I guess I'll just wait till Christmas.
Mommy, can you please tell me?
I honestly don't remember what it was either. Guess you'll find out during Christmas. Do you want to wrap it?
Yeah. Do I have to close my eyes for it?
No, it should come.
Mommy, why are you not telling me what it is? I
don't remember, to be honest with you. But it's something that you ordered that you put on your wish list that you weren't supposed to order, but you bought it. Can you go get the cheese out of the refrigerator so we can make some grilled cheese sandwiches here in a little bit?
No.
No? Well, who's going to do it then?
No one. Mommy, can you just tell me what the mailman did?
He
Can we
delivered
just
a package.
go check?
You can go check as soon as you get your clothes on.
Okay.
And if it's listed it on the outside of the box, then it's yours. But if not, we're going to wrap it up for you. All right, so I kind of semi-blended this in. To be honest with you, though, I think I could probably go over it with another round of devotion and just kind of come up and around. That Elizabeth shade really can kind of overpower the look pretty quickly, but I don't mind. I just want to let you know and prepare you that, you know, it's a very purple look. It's an unconventional holiday look. I think for this, I am just going to put another coat of mascara on. I'm not really feeling lashes with the look. I mean, it is dramatic, but I want to also not feel pressured to have to wear lashes around the holidays. I think that's one of the hardest things to, like, get through.
Why is this a size 8 and it's really nice? So can I wear this?
Yes, you can wear that if you want. Here. You're gonna get makeup all over it, baby.
Okay. Why do you love makeup?
That's what Mommy does.
Is this how you wear it?
Something like that. Put your arms through the sleeves.
Put that sticker in my butthole.
Okay, if you go upstairs and get some sweaty sweats on, then that way I can finish up here and then we can go outside and look. I think I am going to leave the look just like this because I just really, there's not any, I guess I could use this as a highlighting shade, but over the brow bone it won't look good. It'll look like I plucked my eyebrows and then tried to cover it up with concealer. I've already tried that look and it's not my best work. Dusting away this Sydney Grace translucent powder, it works really good with my naturally quite oily skin. This is the completed look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the 25 days of Christmas so far. Thanks so much for joining me. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!